Evidence in the O.R.E. As we chip away, several clear veins emerge. District declarations. More districts, especially competitive suburban and magnet systems, have formally retired rank reporting. Some are citing wellness and collaboration. Others seek to prevent minor GPA differences from fracturing student culture altogether. National associations. Counselor surveys through NECAC and ASCA echo this retreat. In recent years, the share of high schools reporting an exact rank has dropped steadily. Application platforms. The Common Application and peer systems confirm rising instances of transcripts with either percentile bands or just NR, or not reported, in the fields. Predictive impact. Enrollment offices that track historical model performances have seen rank-based lift decay as missingness grows. Where once it improved yield accuracy, it now behaves like a stress crack, skewing predictions for certain schools or demographics. Policy narratives. Articles and state-level education releases frame the move as a modernization, trading competition for collaboration. The language has actually shifted from standing to story. These points together show not a sudden break, but a slow cooling process, one that began years ago and now leaves us working with different metals altogether.